Before the summer begins, families across India take part in a tradition that's centuries old. Pickles. Rooftops everywhere are lined with cotton sheets and jars are filled to the brim with lip-smacking delicacies. These recipes have been passed down for generations, and Emami wanted to take this age-old ritual to a new digital audience. That's why India Food Network brought together 4 famed chefs from 4 regions of the country to create exciting recipes with Emami. Each recipe was carefully curated and created by IFN and our team of chefs to make Emami tasty and healthy mustard oil the hero ingredient. And each one was as delicious as the last. Then we leveraged our strength as a network by getting our millions of subscribers and followers involved. We've always had a high engagement, high involvement audience. That's why after each video was uploaded, we asked our viewers to give us their favorite pickle recipe. The best recipes received a gift hamper and were even created into videos of their own, which meant that we turned our viewers into chefs in their own right. We promoted each of the recipes we created across YouTube and Facebook and saw incredible results. The videos have already garnered over 4 lakh views on YouTube and over 8 lakh views on Facebook, making Emami a tasty new addition to an age-old tradition.